morning. This is Robert Kaars Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. Taking a look at the US markets, we saw a fall in all indices, with the US Tech 100 being hit badly after Hillary Clinton announced that she would propose a $250 monthly cap on prescription drugs, which saw biotech firms retreat throughout the day. The US 500 shed 36 points to close out 1,938.38. The US Tech 100 declined 85 points to close on 4,267.5, and the Wall Street lost 266 points to close on 16,298. Moving to commodities, China's crucial manufacturing sector is having its worst month since the depths of the global financial crisis in early 2009. The flash reading of the Caixin China General Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index dropped to 47 points in September, down from 47.3 in August, marking the worst performance for the sector in 78 months. The survey was published less than an hour after the Chinese President Xi Jinping delivered a policy speech in Seattle at the start of a state visit to the US, in which he sought to reassure Americans on a broad range of contentious issues, including the health of the Chinese economy. He insisted the economy was still operating within the proper range and defended Beijing's intervention in the stock markets over the summer as necessary to prevent massive panic. Mr. Xi also defended his government's decision last month to carry out a small devaluation and move to a new exchange rate mechanism by saying the move had achieved initial success in correcting the deviation in exchange rate. These reports will only worsen UK miners, which were hit heavily yesterday among lingering concern about the outlook for global growth and its impact on commodity prices, which prompted broker downgrades for some of the industry's biggest names. The sector was singled out by rating agency Moody's as the one most exposed to China's economic slowdown. Miner and commodities trader Glencore led the sell-off, down 16% at 99.59 pence. The renewed decline took stocks tumble over the year to date to almost 64% and took it to a new record low under the £1 per share level. Gold lost $8 yesterday, closing at $1,124.7, while Brent crude had a slight gain, moving up 50 cents to close on $49.16 a barrel. The UK 100, which was heavily affected by the mining sector, closed down 181 points on 5,945.5, while the Germany 30 suffered the same fate over announcements that worldwide testing would be carried out on Volkswagen cars amid Monday's scandal. The stock dropped a further 20% yesterday, and the Germany 30 lost 396 points, closing down at 9,596.8. In today's corporate news, Swiss Re has announced a deal to buy Guardian Financial Services for £1.5 billion, and Volkswagen Chief Executive Martin Winterkorn has come under increasing pressure to resign amid the ongoing emissions test scandal. Today's economic data in focus sees at 9 o'clock in Europe market manufacturing PMI released for September, market services PMI released for September, and market PMI composite released for September. At 12 o'clock, we have the US MBA mortgage applications released for September, and at 2 o'clock, ECB President Draghi will be speaking. That's all for this morning's market update. Thank you and goodbye.